Where there is kindness, there is righteousness is a famous couplet by Saint Kabir Das, which states that righteousness is not external rituals, but the spirit of compassion and goodness. Jaha daya taha dharma hai. Jaha लोभ तहा पाप. जहाँ क्रोध तहाँ पाप है. जहाँ क्षमा तहाँ आप. जहाँ दया तहाँ धर्म है. जहाँ लोभ तहाँ पाप. जहाँ क्रोध तहाँ पाप है. जहाँ क्षमा तहाँ आप. It means that kindness is the true righteousness. Greed leads to sin. Anger brings destruction, death. And God resides in forgiveness, compassion, and dharma. True religion or morality resides where compassion, empathy, and kindness are present. The foundation of religion is compassion. Greed and sin. Greed makes a person immoral and leads to sin. Anger and time. In anger, a person loses his discretion, which leads to a situation like destruction or death. Forgiveness and God. Where there is forgiveness, the quality of forgiving, God Himself resides there because in forgiveness lies divinity. It teaches that man should stay away from greed and anger and be kind and forgiving. जहाँ दया तहाँ धर्म है. जहाँ लोभ तहाँ पाप. जहाँ क्रोध तहाँ पाप है. जहाँ क्षमा तहाँ आप.